In this tutorial, I will show you how to see someone's recent following on Instagram in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, open up Instagram. So you want to come to the app and then open up Instagram. And once you've got that opened, what I'm going to do is just go onto this guy's profile here. Now, to see someone's recent followers, if you look at the top, you've got posts, followers and following. What you want to do is click onto followers. The original method for seeing someone's recent followers would be that there would be a feature in the top right hand corner of this page. And what you would be able to do is view that person's followers by, for example, the date when those people started to follow the profile. As of June 2021, Instagram actually removed this feature. So if you want to see someone's recent followers, what you need to do is come onto the followers. So the same sort of process, but what will happen now is that the followers at the top of the list are going to be the most recent followers. And as you scroll down, it's going to go to the oldest, but of course you can't see more detailed information, like for example, when that person followed the profile on Instagram. So this is the most up-to-date method of how to see someone's recent followers on Instagram. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.